Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Fulu's Kitchen. On this channel, I share my creativity and simple way of making Nigerian and Finnish recipes. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new on this channel, you are highly welcome. And please remember to click the subscribe button so that you get to see more of my videos as it keeps coming. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite Finnish dessert recipes. This recipe is easy and simple to make. It is called Finnish pancake or pancake-pannukakku in Finnish. If you'd like to see how I made my Finnish pancake, kindly sit back and let's get started into the video. So firstly, I'm going to be adding all my dry ingredients together. Then mix all your dry ingredients together. I'm going to be leaving the full list of the ingredients for this recipe in the description box below. Next, I'm going to be adding my milk. Then mix until it is well combined. Kindly mix thoroughly. Then I'll be adding my eggs. Continue to mix. Then lastly, I'll be adding my melted margarine. And continue to mix. Now our batter is ready. For the baking, you will need a baking tray and a parchment paper. So I'm going to be placing my parchment paper on top of the baking tray. So kindly ensure that the four sides are equal and ensure that your parchment paper is well seated on the tray. So I'm going to be pouring my batter into the tray. As you are pouring it, kindly adjust your paper. So now we are going to be baking. But at this stage, my oven has already been preheated. Put your pancake batter in the oven and remember to use the lower level so that your pancake doesn't get burnt. Bake at 200 degrees for half an hour. Now our finished oven baked pancake is ready. Now I'm going to be slicing it into smaller pieces. This recipe can be made for breakfast and I'm sure your kids will like this and always ask for more. So try this out. To enjoy it more, you can add some strawberry jam on top. Now you can see this is yummy. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.